So we are here today with Fabrizio from I Didn't Quite Make It. Thank you for joining us. Chiesi is one of the preeminent pharma companies out of Italy. So it's great for you to be here. A lot of our companies are excited to have one of the major pharmaceutical companies here at the Resi conference. Tell us a little bit about yourselves and what you're looking for, what your mission is here.
Chiesi is a mid-sized pharma company. It's quite known in Europe and US for their products in chronic respiratory diseases, rare diseases and critical care, mainly neonatology, transplantation and cardiovascular. I just joined Chiesi 1.5 years ago with a really difficult task to develop an entire new platform based on open innovation to engage early stage companies, particularly but not only startups. So my role inside the company is to scout, pre-evaluate and identify the way to engage, to involve the startup in the company business without acquiring directly the company, but passing through a process that permits the company to grow externally to the risk and mature the technology. That is my role. It's quite important for Chiesi because it is known as an M&A company. Last acquisition that we did was last year $1.2 billion with an Irish company, and we would like at the opposite to develop the early stage partnership approach.
So as you've been with Chiesi for 1.5 years, is this your first Resi that you're attending?
No, it's the second one. I was attending the Resi in Barcelona, the Resi Europe. That was my first one.
Excellent.
I'm quite impressed by the conference and the meeting that I have both in Barcelona and there. I think that Resi is positioned in a unique place. It's really focusing on early stage startups. It's really focusing in building partnership with corporates and not simply in exposing the startup to investor. And this is quite unique. It's really focused, really specialized, and it's organized in a wonderful way.
And today, did you have any interesting meetings or any good companies you met? Do you think you'll have follow-ups with some of those?
I had at least a couple of meetings that will be followed. One with a company that is working in drug delivery. They have a really nice technology for encapsulate small molecule but also biologics. And another one with another company that is developing a medical device that could be used at pulmonary hypertension. That is quite interesting as a disease area. I'm sure that we will have a follow-up with those companies.
Excellent. And did you use the partnering system yourself, or did someone use it on your behalf?
We are three.
Okay.
And all the three Chiesi members use the partnership system. It's quite interesting, quite useful. It's really powerful also in terms of the capability to plan meeting after the conference online. This is a really nice feature for us, and it's a system that is really easy to use, so it's wonderful.
Awesome. Thank you so much for coming. We always love to have our pharma strategic friends here at Resi. Our companies look forward to not only interacting with investors, but also strategics like yourself. And thank you, and have a great rest of your conference.
Thank you really much for your help.